After the sink is actually I want to create the towel. There is usually a small towel beside the bathroom sink. Well, actually I wanted to reset my scene, but I want to use this sink as a reference for the size of the towel and its hanger. So for the hanger of this towel I will use Torres round. We have different kind of the towels. I will try to show another kind of the towels when I want create the bath and the bath towel. So this I will try to change the size to what I want. Reduce the size. This is so thin, half centimeter, and maybe this I get it 7. I think it's okay. So the hanger need to be connected to the walls. I will use a cylinder. We have used cylinder a lot for this project. Put it back, and actually now I don't need this part, so I will hide it. Then I can focus on this part is here. Select this. Just I am not creating something special, just imagine something and try to mimic it. Create I can't say something special because I just want to create something. So you can follow me, or you can design your own hanger. And again, and maybe the last part become bigger and go inside. Then the front, it obviously need to set maybe 0.7 and apply it, and the next time okay it. While it is the faces are selected, hold on the control and click on the vertex mode. Now weld all of them and select the edges, loop them and chamfer with the low value such as a 0.1 or 0.2 this time. Okay, apply turbo smooth and see the result. Give it a little bit more shape at the middle, probably connect it once and select the faces, extrude in. I need to choose the local normal with the value of minus. Okay, see the turbo smooth. Okay, I don't want to spend much time for this. The next I will create the towel. For towel I will use a plan, something bigger than this Torres. not so much bigger, just a bit. Okay, for now I will create actually quite bigger. I will show you why. 50 and 20, and make sure the length and the width also have the same value, so 50 to 20, because I want these polygons be actually square, not rectangular. I keep it down. I don't want it be on this torus. I hold down the shift and create a new torus and bring it down. This torus should change the size and make it bigger, as it can pass the towel. I changed the name plan to towel. Okay, now I need to apply the cloud modifier to this cloud. So this is actually towel, sorry. I apply the cloud, go to the object properties, select the towel, and make sure you choose the cloud. And from the preset I usually use the default, but you can choose the what material you think your towel have. Maybe cotton. Okay, just choose this, and you need to add this torus. So I will add the object. It should be torus 02 because it is a copy. It's better actually we rename it to something that we can select later easier. So the torus should be the collision. I don't change anything. So the towel is a cloth and the preset we already choose, and the torus is just a collision without changing anything. You can change also. Then in the cloth properties I will back and make sure the self collision and check intersection is on, and self collision is set to 1, or sometimes you can set it to 2. Is okay for this work. You need to save your work to make sure, because sometimes it will be happen that it will be hang. I don't want it to be so much distance. I will keep it down and also keep it at the middle. So I will align it, make sure the X direction is already aligned. Now simulate local. Let it go down. Once I was listening to my sound, I feel that the sound is not also very good. One reason is my mic. As soon as I get some more money, I will buy a new mic. Okay, the simulate finish. And of course it is not what we want. We want to put it in here, and I want to shrink it more. So what I should do, I will select the top. Actually I see the size of this. The radius one is 7. So I will choose this one, and in the frame 100 auto key is active, and change the torus. The warning is yes. Change the torus radius to 7, the same as what it has. Auto key off, back to frame 0, and back to the cloud. Here, this time simulated. Okay. It is going to be shrinking. Why? Because the size of this torus is reducing. And always be sure that you save your work before you start simulating. Usually this uh, hanger is, the radius is smaller than your towel, so it will be shrink, same as what it is happening right now. Even it can be shrink more to have a better actually better view, but I want just shrink it a bit, not so much. I don't want to stop recording now because maybe it happened that it closed my Max. So sorry if I am taking your time. The simulation sometimes maybe is not the one that you like, so you can redo it, you can erase it, you can reset the state, click on this button, reset it, and do it again. Move it a little bit object, put it upper or downer, and because it's simulation according to the gravity that has been stated in Max. Okay, it's shrink it more and during 100 frame. So I save it, make sure it's saved. You don't need this anymore, and if you are not satisfied from the final result, you can back it and quiet, for example in here, but I will keep it in here. Delete this. You can right click and convert it to editable poly, or just if you want to keep that for the future usage, and you can come to the tools and snapshot. A snapshot actually make a copy, but I don't want, so I will convert it to editable poly. First I will apply the relax modifier, make it quite relaxed. You can make it harder or relax value to 1. Then I will apply the shell modifier to give it dimension. Shell, if I can find it. Okay, see, the amount is 2.2 centimeter, which is actually the 2 millimeter. And then I will apply the turbo smooth. Okay, and this is my tower. Put it up. Apply the same material. Well, about the border of this, you can work on the border more. I have shown you in my tutorial about modeling bedroom, actually the bed and the blanket. I have shown how to create the border. If you want, you can use that tutorial as a reference and create it better.